kasih kerana menelefon perkhidmatan aktivasi produk Microsoft.
For English, say English or
English.
press 2.
Sila tunggu sebentar.
Hi, thanks for calling the Microsoft Product Activation Service. To help us improve the quality of our products, services, and training, this call may be recorded or monitored, and information collected on this call may be accessed by Microsoft affiliates, subsidiaries, and service providers internationally. To consent to recording or monitoring of this call, press 1. To continue without recording or monitoring, press 2. Thank you. This call will not be recorded or monitored. For security purposes, I need you to repeat the following phrase, 232.
232.
Thank you. Let's see what I can help with. Are you calling to activate Office or Windows, need help with remote desktop licenses, or something else?
Office.
Okay, help with activation. First, are you calling to activate Office on a Windows device, or is this for Mac?
Window.
Before we start the activation process, are you at your computer with the activation window open?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. In order to activate your product, I'll need to confirm your installation ID. This is a number that should appear in 6 or 7-digit groups on your activation window. Do you have this number up on your screen?
Yes.
Perfect. Please let me know when you are ready to start speaking the installation ID.
I am ready.
Okay, please read aloud the first group of digits, speaking one digit at a time. I believe you said 0, 0, 6, 6, 2, 2, 3. Is that right?
Yes.
Great. Please read the second group of digits. I heard 9, 6, 9, 0, 4, 5, 2. Is that correct?
Yes.
Great. Please read the next group of digits. I believe you said 2, 1, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, please read the fourth group of digits. I believe you said 8, 1, 2, 5, 9, 6, 1. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Great. Please read the fifth group of digits. I believe you said 6, 3, 2, 0, 7, 3, 6. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thanks. Please read the sixth group of digits. Okay, that was 3, 7, 7, 0, 1, 6, 2. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, please read the seventh group of digits. I believe you said 1, 1, 0, 8, 5, 9, 0. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thanks. Please read the eighth group of digits. I believe you said 9, 1, 5, 4, 7, 7, 3. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Okay, please read the ninth group of digits. believe you said 4644486. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Okay, great. One moment while I validate your installation ID. Looks like I will need one more piece of information from you in order to finish validating your installation ID. Can you please tell me how many devices this copy of Office is currently installed on?
1.
Thank you. One moment while I attempt to verify the information you have provided. Your installation ID was successfully validated.